Ever wondered what propels those sleek French trains at mind-bending speeds, leaving everything else in the dust? Today, we're about to unveil the secrets behind the lightning-fast French trains that defy the limits of speed and engineering. From the sleek design that slices through the air to the advanced propulsion systems that propel them forward, let's dive exhilarating journey into the heart of high-speed rail. The high-speed rail. In 1981, French engineers set out to push the limits of train speed, aiming to break records with their revolutionary TGV. Surpassing 380 kilometers per hour, the TGV shattered a world record held for over 25 years, showcasing France's determination to prove itself in high-speed rail. Just 4 decades earlier, trains seemed to have hit their peak, with outdated tracks and signaling systems hindering any hopes of increased speed. However, halfway around the world, the Japanese were pioneering a new era of rail travel with the Shinkansen. Completed in 1964, this groundbreaking project featured over 500 kilometers of straight track, allowing trains to reach speeds exceeding 200 kilometers per hour. The Shinkansen proved that high-speed rail was not only feasible but also incredibly efficient, revolutionizing transportation in Japan and inspiring similar projects around the globe. The Shinkansen wasn't just about speed. It was a marvel of scale and efficiency. With the ability to transport nearly 1,000 passengers per train and operating over 120 trains daily, the Shinkansen quickly became a lifeline for commuters and travelers alike, moving over 100 million passengers within its first 3 years of operation. The once distant cities connected by the Shinkansen suddenly felt closer, as travel times were slashed in half. However, while the world marveled at Japan's engineering feat, French railway engineers faced a stark reality. Despite previous achievements in setting speed records, the French railway system, operated by the SNCF, lacked the vision necessary to propel itself into the future. Plagued by budget deficits and short-term fixes, the SNCF focused on cost-cutting measures rather than long-term investments in high-speed rail. The opening of the Shinkansen forced a paradigm shift in France. Recognizing the potential of high-speed rail to compete with domestic air travel, the SNCF embarked on an ambitious plan to revolutionize rail travel in France. Instead of building an entirely new rail network like the Japanese, the SNCF aimed to optimize existing infrastructure while developing cutting-edge trains powered by gas turbines borrowed from military helicopter technology. The use of gas turbines offered several advantages, including lightweight and powerful propulsion, allowing trains to navigate steeper grades without the need for extensive tunneling or bridge construction. Additionally, the use of kerosene-fueled turbines eliminated the need for costly overhead power lines, reducing infrastructure expenses. In 1972, the SNCF unveiled the TGV-001, a prototype train equipped with state-of-the-art technologies and capable of reaching speeds exceeding 300 kilometers per hour. This experimental train marked the beginning of France's journey towards embracing high-speed rail as a viable alternative to air travel, setting the stage for the development of the iconic TGV trains that would revolutionize transportation in France and beyond. The TGV Revolution, defying convention and embracing innovation. Renowned designer Jacques Couper was tasked with a unique challenge: to create a train that defied conventional design norms. Drawing inspiration from his experience in designing sports cars, Couper infused the TGV with bold, sleek lines that exuded an undeniable sense of coolness. Powered by gas turbines generating an impressive 5,000 horsepower, the TGV featured innovative articulated bogies that reduced weight, improved stability, and offered a smoother, quieter ride. In rigorous testing, the prototype TGV proved its mettle, racking up over 500,000 kilometers and surpassing speeds of 300 kilometers per hour on numerous occasions. Despite its technological prowess, the TGV faced skepticism from many quarters. Some feared it would become a financial black hole akin to the Concorde, while others criticized it for catering exclusively to the wealthy elite. Competing visions for the future of transportation, including radical concepts like the aerotrain and proposals for expanded air travel infrastructure, further complicated matters. However, the TGV found an unexpected ally amid the 1973 oil crisis. With oil prices soaring and fuel shortages crippling the economy, France embarked on a bold initiative to meet its energy needs through nuclear power. The energy crisis of the 1970s forced leaders to prioritize public transportation, leading to the approval of a new high-speed rail line connecting France's largest cities. This ambitious project, largely funded by private capital, marked the beginning of a new era in Western European rail travel. With its sleek design and revolutionary technology, the TGV was poised to debut as the fastest train in the world in 1981. Just before its opening, French railway engineers conducted a high-profile test, pushing the TGV to a staggering speed of 380 kilometers per hour, shattering previous records and showcasing the train's potential for even greater speeds in the future. The TGV's success exceeded expectations, with over 1 million passengers carried within 2 months of its launch. Its efficiency, affordability, and aggressive marketing campaign quickly won over the public, leading to a significant decline in air travel between major French cities. Despite initial opposition, politicians who had once doubted the TGV now proudly supported it, and plans for new high-speed rail lines connecting additional French cities were soon underway. Over the years, the TGV continued to break speed records, ultimately reaching 574 kilometers per hour in 2007, solidifying its status as a symbol of national pride and technological innovation. By running on electricity rather than fossil fuels, TGV trains produce zero emissions at the point of use, making them a much greener alternative to cars or airplanes. Additionally, the regenerative braking system used in TGV trains recaptures energy during deceleration, further reducing their carbon footprint. So, there you have it, the secrets behind the lightning-fast French trains that have revolutionized travel. From their aerodynamic design to their advanced propulsion systems, these trains represent the pinnacle of modern engineering. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on amazing engineering feats from around the world.